Today we introduce our fish tip. This is a nylon material. This one search head. This can go through the corner easy, and this is very light. This is another fish tip that we use. Can wind and rewind easy. The handle can carry this fish tip easy. Wire is very strong. When you turn in the corner, very big force, it also can return to the original shape. Search hand is flexible, can go through the corner easy, and the connector is very strong. Made by ABS material. It's very strong. It's no problem. This type is our steel fish tape in the reusable case. The same handle, easy to carry. When you use the fish tape, you can unwind the steel wire is spring steel material. Steel may change the shape when you bend by big force, and you need to undo the bending. Then we return to the original shape. This case made by strong ABS material. The quality is stable and long lasting.